experience. Una kasi yung outreach na ginawa namin is in Zambales with the ITAS. And then naalala ko, Gabi, doon ko actually yung tinanong mo sa akin na what makes me happy. Doon ko na-realize yun. Kasi yung mga bata, binigyan namin ng gift. Although it's not really that much, but we give them something na alam mo yung papel lang, dilata, pero the smiles. It's so priceless. Yeah, iba talaga yung nagagawa ng help. And siguro na ako lang na-realize din yung ginagawa ng dad ko way before when we were little, na palagi siyang nagpapa-feeding, palagi siyang nagbibigay ng gift, na umaabot talaga siya. He reached talaga sa mga tao na who needed help. And then, iba yung dating, iba kasi, para sa kanila, o para sa atin na, ang liit lang ng bigay natin, pero para sa kanila, it's a big thing. And what's really beautiful about it is that small thing made me realize the bigger picture. And then, second, yung sa BRP, Teresa Manbanwa na nag-outreach kami sa nag-vessel tour kami. Gabi, nakakatuwa. Because these people, yung mga Coast Guards.
Kay Geraldine to?
Oo.
Are you ready, Freshies? I can't hear you!